My name is Sig and this is my channel, and today I will be showing you how to do the brick stitch. The brick stitch is really quite interesting because typically it's done with, well, in this particular case, a worsted weight yarn, and it's for an afghan, but it gives you that open work feel. It gives you kind of that lacy look, and I really kind of like that. I like how it gives you a lacy look, but it has kind of an afghan weight to it. I mean, you can certainly use this stitch with a smaller yarn and for a lighter piece, but particularly if you want to have a larger piece but you want to give it a little more interest, this is the stitch for you. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So to begin the brick stitch, we will be working in multiples of 4 plus 6. So in other words, I'm going to want to chain stitch in groups of 4, in multiples of 4. So let's go ahead and do 16 stitches. So now I have 16 stitches, and then I'm going to chain an additional 6 stitches. So the first thing I'm going to do in the 4th stitch from the hook, I'm going to double crochet. And then I'm going to double crochet again in the next stitch. And that gives me 3 double crochets, because this turning stitch again is going to act as your double crochet just on the end. Next, we're going to start the open work effect. So I'm going to then double crochet in the next stitch. And then I'm going to chain 3 and then double crochet again in the next stitch. Then I'm going to skip a stitch and double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then to begin my open work, I'm going to chain 3 and I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch. Then I'm going to skip a stitch and double crochet in the stitch after that. I'm going to double crochet 2 more. And chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch. I'm going to skip a stitch, and then I'm going to chain or double crochet in the next 3 chains. So your piece should look something like this. So you have your 3 double crochets plus the double crochet that starts your open work, chain 3, and then double crochet in that next stitch. Then you're going to skip that chain, that next stitch, and you're going to start again, 3 double crochets, chain 3, and then give your 4th double crochet right there in the next stitch, and then you're going to start that again. You're going to skip the next stitch, and then you're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 3, a double crochet in the next stitch, skip a stitch, and then you're down here with your next 3 double crochets. I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to chain 3. Then I'm going to do 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to single crochet in the chain 3 space. Once again, I'm going to do 3 double crochets, I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to do a single crochet in that same 3 chain space. Again, double crochet 3 times in that chain 3 space. I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to single crochet in that 3 chain space. So to finish this row, I'm going to do a double crochet right there in that last double crochet in the row below. Then I'm going to turn my work and I'm going to chain 3. And then I'm going to repeat. Chain or double crochet 3 times in that chain 3 space. Chain 3, and then single crochet in that same chain 3 chain space. And again, double crochet in the next chain 3 space. Three times. And then chain 3 and single crochet in that same chain 3 space. So you're going to continue to do just this until you've reached the desired width and length of your piece. As usual, it was such a pleasure to have you join me today for this tutorial. Remember to hit the subscribe and like button, and until we meet again, stay crafty.